Hello! In this video, I will show you how to create a digital binder within Google Drive so you can properly organize your work for this school year. So to begin, I'm sure your Google Drive looks somewhat messy like mine, so let me show you how to organize it. First, you'll click New, and then click on Folder, and label it 2020-2021 Digital Binder. And it should appear on your screen like so. Go ahead and double click the folder so that way you can see what's inside. Now that you can see inside your digital binder, let's go ahead and organize it. So go ahead and click New, Folder, and label it Semester 1 Work. Let's go ahead and do the same thing for Semester 2. So you'll click New, Folder, and write Semester 2 Work. Now that we have our folders for both Semester 1 and Semester 2, let's go ahead and organize the folder for Semester 1. Go ahead and double click the folder for Semester 1. And now let's go ahead and make the folders for each of our classes. So go ahead and put New, Folder, and you can either write period 1 for first period, or if you want to see which classes are which, you could put P1, and say for example, our first class might be geometry. You'll keep doing this until you have folders for all your classes. So now that you have all of your work in order, let's go ahead and organize it. For example, let's go ahead and pick world history. So oftentimes your classes might be divided into different chapters, or say for example, history, it might be divided into units. So what you will do is that you'll create a folder for each unit. All right, so what we're gonna do is that we're gonna go ahead and click on New, go to Folder, and then you'll type in Unit 1, Democracy. So again, make sure when you create the new folder, you label it Unit 1, Democracy. All right, now that you have your digital binder all set up, here's what you're gonna do. So you'll go to Our Class and then go to Classwork. After you go to Classwork, you should see your list of everything for Unit 1. So remember, Unit 1 is the topic underneath the most current unit that we've been working on. So what you're gonna do is that you're gonna go through all the notes and add them to the folders you just made. So let me show you how that's gonna work. So you're gonna go ahead and say, for example, click on assignment number 11 and click on View Assignment. When you click on View Assignment, it should show you your work. And so go ahead and click on the one that says your work. Once you get to your work, your note should be completely finished. This is just an example, so that's why mine's blank, but yours should be completely finished by this point because it is the end of the unit. So what you're gonna do now is that you're gonna go to where this little folder is right here where it says Move. And you're gonna go ahead and go move it to where it says your drive and click on Digital Binder. Then you'll click on Semester 1 Work, click on the World History folder, click on Democracy, and then you'll click Move here. And so now you'll be able to have access to it inside your folder. So you need to make sure that all of these assignments, assignment number 11, assignment number 16, assignment number 17, and assignment number 19 are all in your Democracy folder. So you can go ahead and pause the screen right now if you need to see which ones you need to put into your Democracy folder. So once you're done, your folder should look something like this. I would highly recommend renaming the notes so that way you know which order you got them in. So say, for example, I labeled these Unit 1, Notes number 1, Notes number 2, Notes number 3, Notes number 4. To do that, you would right-click it and click on where it says Rename, and you would type the name that you would want to rename it right here. And this is just a reminder, but my notes are blank because this is an example, but at this point, your notes should be completely finished. I would highly recommend doing this for all your classes just to save the notes, so that way by the time you get to finals, you have a quick and fast and easy way to access your notes to study with. So for in history, we're going to be doing this with every unit. To get credit for this assignment, all you have to do is just take a screenshot of your finished folder like this and to paste it into the blank document that is attached to this assignment post. Once you take a screenshot and you paste it into the document, you just have to click turn in and then you'll be done. Make sure you study for your test that's coming up next week.